Hello. So this is just a quick video to showcase the new website I just developed for Gigi. She's an amazing avatar. Who cares about you? So to interact with her, you just have to log in using your Gmail account. After that, you're going to be able to basically chat with Gigi live. This website is meant to be responsive, so you can adapt to your preference and change things as you please. So let's try to interact with Gigi. There is also like an option to change the background theme in case you are in a dark mood or you are more bright mood. Just checking functionalities. Let's see, maybe. Seems everything working, so yeah. So please have a look. The website is up. Just to recap, what is Gigi? Gigi is like an AI avatar companion. She is already live on Twitter, where she autonomously posts contents, same as Instagram, TikTok, and obviously she got also their Pinterest. So please follow her on her social media at HeyIt'sGGI, where you can find her lifestyle, basically her contents. All of them are AI generated. Her persona is completely AI generated. I think I made a video showing how this happened. So it's just a bunch of code that make everything looks real and feel real. So yeah, please have a look at the new website. There are some free guides if you feel you want to learn more about crypto. You need a boost of confidence. You just can download this nice guide that are free for you. Sign up, you got 50 credits, 50 messages. I'm going to implement more and more functionalities. For now, that's it. So bye bye.